диспетчерами з України.
Into the year of Russian brutal invasion and now, a harsh winter, the Ukrainians are not losing their sense of humor. Artillery Olympic Games. The artillery is now the real queen of the war on Ukrainian battlefields. Russian mortar is destroyed by artillery fire from FH-70 howitzers of the 44th Artillery Brigade. This footage gives me the chills. In the background you can hear a soldier crying for help on the comms, while artillerymen make calculations for their 60mm mortar in Bakhmut. This is how war looks like. But the sword have two sides. Volgograd decided to join the burning festivities in Russia. British Defence Minister Ben Wallace visited the Ukrainian Military Training Centre, where instructors from New Zealand work with them.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.